I've been dreaming of the perfect farmhouse desk to finish off my office. One day, I came across some crates at Michael's, and I had an idea. Begin by sanding the crates. I purchased 4 for the legs of the desk. After that, start staining. I ripped up an old t-shirt to use as a rag to rub the stain in. Make sure while staining to cover as many of the grooves as possible. After that, let the stain set for 5 to 15 minutes. Then, grab a clean rag and wipe away the excess. After that, let your crates dry for at least 6 to 8 hours or longer depending on how hot it is outside. Following that, I added a layer of spray varnish to make sure that the crates were extra set, but this is an optional step as long as you aren't using them outside. After that, I let the varnish dry. If you are planning to use these stained crates for outside use, I would suggest setting with a polyurethane. After your crates have dried, bring them inside and begin setting up how you want your desk legs to look. This will vary depending on how tall you want the desk to be. Next, glue the top crate to the bottom crate using wood glue. Make sure your crates are lined up the way you want them to look. Repeat this on the other leg and let dry. Next, flip the leg over. For extra security, grab some metal mending plates and mark where your holes are going to go. Pre-drill your holes to prevent the wood from splitting. After that, screw in the screws and repeat on the other side of the crate so there's a total of 2 mending plates per leg. Repeat this on the other leg. After that, flip the legs back over and add your top. I chose to use a butcher block I purchased at IKEA, but you could use plywood or any other kind of surface to personalize to the look you want. Make sure your legs are in the place you want them to be. Following that, grab a package of L brackets to attach the legs to the top. Mark your holes and drill the same way you added the mending plates. If you are using a heavy wooden top like I was, make sure you purchase wood screws that are at least half the size of the thickness of your board. I purchased 1 1/4 inch wood screws because the block was about 2 inches thick. Repeat this on the outside of the crate leg as well as the inside to secure the top to the legs. And just like that, you're done. Add some baskets to hold your belongings, and that's it. This desk is the perfect addition to my office and was just what I was picturing. If you're not looking for a desk, depending on what top you choose, this could also be great as a dining table or a breakfast nook. I hope this inspires you to create the custom look you've always been dreaming of.